A question I get all the time is, what is that cracking or popping sound that I hear during a chiropractic adjustment? That sound is called a cavitation, and it's what happens when we put motion into a joint that's restricted. Inside your joints, there's fluid that contains naturally dissolved gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. It's not bones cracking, it's simply gas releasing from the joints. The sound itself isn't what makes the adjustment effective, but it's the process that causes it, that releases the tension and restores the joint mobility, which overall will help to reduce the pain and improve mobilization in the joint.